It's another package. It's just so fat.
It's so fat, you think?
It's just so fat.
Well, it says little passports on it, so it's another little passports package. And do you have any guesses what's inside?
I don't know.
You don't know? You have no idea? Well, I see some clues. It says weather. It says the theme is weather. What's the weather? What does that mean?
I don't know.
You don't know what weather means?
Weather means sun across the plastic stuff.
Sun or clouds, or I didn't catch it.
All these things are the waves.
Right. So that's
I take these all the waves like this.
right. So that's what weather is, right? Weather is when you look outside and you're like, it's sunny, or it's cloudy, or it's rainy, right?
Like this. Just sunshine.
Yes. You do that in dance, don't you?
But it's not the same.
Yeah, okay. All right, so you ready to dig in and see what's inside? Are y'all ready to see what's inside our little passports? This is our second subscription.
What is it?
It says ages 3+. I think this is for ages 3 to 5. And how old are you? 4 years old. So this is, you want to rip it open? Can you pull it?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the Early Explorers kit, ages 3 to 5. This is the second item that's come in the mail. So last month we got the nice little suitcase. I'll put the links in the profile or in the description below, so you can check out some of the other videos that we have done about little passports. So this is our second little package, and we're really excited about it. I know you're really excited about it. You want me to help you out? All right, let's pull it open.
Okay.
Pull it open like that. And you want to pull out? Show the camera. Show everybody what you got. Let's see. What is that?
Whoa. What's this? Well, this is a different picture.
It's a different picture.
Yeah.
And do you remember what their names are down there?
No.
I believe the dog's name is Toby, and the little boy's name is Max, and her name is Mia.
Yeah, that's the rainbow right there. Because he got rainbow. Look at that puppy. He got rainbow. That's silly.
That's silly. They all have rain boots on. The puppy has rain boots on. There's a beautiful rainbow in this picture.
A different bug too.
Yeah, and it looks like this is from Scotland. So that's cool. So that's really neat. Uh-oh, my youngest is getting a little upset. We may have to do, well, no, we can't do it again. We can't reveal it again, can we? Hopefully the crying doesn't mess it up. And then you got a little passport to weather. So it looks like this month we're gonna learn all about the weather. That's so cool.
What's this thing?
This says a weather tracker.
Open it.
So it said, I'll open it in just a minute. And what do you say? What do you say nicely? How can you say that nicely? Please, yeah. So.
And this is sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy.
Very good. Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy. Very good. It says weather tracker. Look outside. What does the weather look like? What does it look like today?
Sunny.
Sunny. You should point to sunny. The weather tracker comes with 4 patches that you can mix and match depending on the day. Stick the weather patch that best matches the day's weather below today. Okay, so let's open this up.
What is that there?
My youngest is trapped in the gate right there. I can see him, and he wants to be over here with us, but I was afraid he would wander around and get into trouble while we were recording. Look how cool! Oh, that is so cute. I love this. That is so cool. That's the teacher in me. I get as excited as the kids do. All right, so this is so cool, and I love this.
And this is one. And this also is thicker.
Yeah.
And you can put it on the sun.
Yeah, that's
And you
awesome.
can stick it on it.
Yeah, so it says today. See, it starts with a T. Today. That is so cool. Do you see any letters that you recognize on here? Or you want to show them? Show them. Show the camera. So this is a... Oh. This is a sun for sunny.
And rainy.
And rainy. Raindrops for rainy.
And cloudy.
And cloudy.
And snowy.
And snowy. The snowflakes. That's so neat. Okay, so what is it today?
Sunny.
Sunny. So can you stick it up there?
Mm-hmm.
That is so cool. And then there's a little pocket for all of these so we can keep it. And I love, so we have a calendar that we also use a lot and we love. But what I love about this, let me say the difference. That calendar that I purchased has, I wanted to hang it on our fridge, but it's a super heavy like wooden calendar. So I love that this one is lightweight. So that's a really good, so you can really hang it anywhere around in your house because it's so lightweight. So on the fridge or on the wall or whatever. So that's really cool. Do you see any letters that you recognize there?
T-O-B.
D. Y. We haven't learned that one yet. We're on the letter X, so we haven't learned that one yet. Very, very, very cool. All right, and the last thing we forgot is the letter, so we'll have to read that later. But it looks like we're going to be learning a lot about weather. I can't wait to tell you more about these lessons after we finish them together. But I've got to go get to my son because he's a little cranky. But I do encourage you to follow along with our Little Passports adventure this summer and click subscribe. So when you pull up YouTube, you'll be able to see all the videos that we've been doing and how we've been exploring Little Passports together.
Yeah.
So this is do you like this one?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, this one's going to be a lot of fun. High five. Woo!
This is a little map, because
Yeah, it is.
if you can go to the tree one, the steady one, then what's this?
That's a tornado.
And this, what's this?
That's a heat wave.
Snowy.
And that's a blizzard. And that's a flood when there's a whole bunch of rain. That is cool. It does show you on the map the different kinds of weather. So that's really cool in the different parts of the world. So much that we're going to learn here. So may the adventures that lie ahead bring you joy, growth, and experiences that inspire you to be the best teacher and mom God created you to be. Have a happy day. Bye.